Another graduation. We have these 3 times a year, and they're the best 3 days of the year for me. We return children to their parents, parents to their children, neighbors to their community.
God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things that I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. Amen. Congratulations again, guys.
Today is a day of celebration, and each of you is worthy and deserving of celebrating. So I am grateful for how you started this program talking about how worthy people are, and all that you have worked for and accomplished leading to this day makes it a day of celebration. You've worked so hard to reach this day, and I know that the path that has led you here hasn't been easy. And there have probably been days when you may have lost hope or wondered about whether you were going to come to this moment. Days when you didn't know if you were going to make it to this graduation and this ceremony. There have probably been days that were a real struggle. But here you are, drug court graduates, clean, sober, determined, and living. And I am so honored to stand among you and am here to applaud all that you have already achieved.
You guys are amazing. I would tell my guys in group that if you can go from treatment, sober house, food stamps, part-time job, IOP, meet with the PO, make it back home safe, you're amazing right there. There was a time, like she said, that you didn't feel like you could do it. You did it. You're doing it. Stay focused. But let me caution you. Breathe. Everybody right now, just don't get cocky. Breathe. You're doing it. Stay focused. Stay on your grinds. Keep your routine. Stay humble. I'm 8 years clean. It's still one day at a time. I'm 8 years clean. I ain't got this. I'm getting it.
You are more than a recovering addict. You are more than any mistake you may have made in the past. You are sons and daughters, mothers and fathers, neighbors, employees, valued members of our community. We need you.
And you guys have come a long way. Now, as far as, kind of moving forward here, the biggest thing that helped for me was a support group. I got involved with people that were kind of trying to stay sober. I'm kind of, at least for me, I'm a product of my environment. And so if I surround myself with people that are kind of trying to aim for the same goal, I tend to not necessarily follow the crowd because I do have my own ambitions and whatnot, but it helps. That's kind of been the biggest help for me. So
years ago when we started drug court, someone wanted me to tell the judge that it was the bagel that made him positive for cocaine. And I said, take him aside, because judges can hear when we're whispering, take him aside, and I said, do you really want me to say that? He goes, well, I'm not going to say it because I'll look stupid. And I said, well, what about me? He said, well, you were supposed to be stupid because you're a lawyer. I make a motion to vacate the pleas, motion to dismiss to vacate the plea, dismiss all charges, expunge the record, and let my people go.
On behalf of my boss, the Cuyahoga County Prosecutor, Michael C. O'Malley, the state will move and support, will not object to the sealing of the convictions for those of you that graduated in the probationary term.
And I wish everyone a great evening. Thank you very much. We're adjourned.